back windows for those guards.
Sure does.
That's what they're doing down here. Haven't been down here in a long time, maybe.
No, we haven't. About 2 years. Still claustrophobic as all get out. Looks like they raised the ceiling. So.
Yeah. It's kind of creepy.
A little bit.
Because, like, the water is, like, right on the other side of it. And that's a lot of water.
It's hard in these situations
Lost satellite
not
reception.
to remember movies like Daylight and so forth. I'll say this much: it's easier to keep the speed at the speed limit going through here.
Yep.
Maybe that was always there and it was just covered over by the paneling.
Yeah, I think it was.
It's interesting. You said they let Greyhound buses through here?
Yep.
Huh.
Yeah, the Greyhound bus comes through here along with all the transit buses.
Doesn't seem like it's tall enough. Interesting. Doesn't look like it's too busy right now.
Nope. Probably because it's Sunday.
Probably.